Hi all, I'm going to show you how to make this pretty scalloped edge for your banner. So I'm connecting them all with chains. I've done a chain 50 here, and I'm using a size 3 crochet hook. So depending on the size of the hook and the size of your yarn is how many chains you need to make. So this is just going to be really basic of how to join them and how to make a scalloped edge. Depending on the yarn that you use and the finish, that's all going to look really, really different. So whichever triangle you've made, whether it's the one of the triangles that I have a tutorial for, this is how to make this edge. So we're going to start, you start with your chain and you work up to the wrong side of your triangle. You go across, you go around, and then you come back so that you can continue on with your chains. So here I'm going to continue on with my chains. And I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm going to, let's see, 10, I don't know yet, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. That looks about what I want. Maybe I'll do, yeah, I'll do 20. Then I'm going to take the wrong side of my triangle and I'm going to single crochet across the top. And in a minute, you'll see why I'm doing that. So on the wrong side, I'm inserting it into the corner where there's a chain 2 space, and I'm going to go across. Just with single crochets all the way across. At this point, there's nothing special happening yet. And if you don't want to do a scalloped edge, all you have to do is single crochet along the right side of your work and decide on the spacing that you want between your triangles. So I'm coming up to my corner. And in my corner, I'm going to put a single crochet and a chain 1. Now next, we're going to set up the round so that we can work our chain and single crochet round so that we can set it up for our scallops. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to put a single crochet into that chain 2 space of my corner, and I'm going to chain 4. Then I'm going to skip 3 single crochets and put a single crochet in the 4th. And that's my first chain 4 space. And now I'm going to continue doing the same thing. 3 and 4 chains, skip 3 and a single crochet. Chain 4, skip 3 and a single crochet. Chain 4, 2, 3 and 4, skip 3 and a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and now we're at our final 2, 3, 4. We're going to put a single crochet into the chain 2 space, and we're going to make, I'm going to do a total of 3 single crochets into this chain 2 space here at the end. If for some reason your count is off, or you have 4 single crochets at the end, just skip those 4 single crochets, and it doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be perfect, your count here. Just make sure that they're all nice and even. So I'm just going to continue on to the top of my work. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then my final chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put my final single crochet in that chain 2 space, and I'm going to make a slip stitch to connect it to my chains there, just to make it nice and secure. Now we're going to turn our work and we're going to work back, because now we're at this place and there's no way that we could continue on with our garland here. So now we're going to work all the way down and up so that when we get here, we can continue on with our, here with our banners. So next step is to work our first scallop into this into the chain 4 space. Let's put my yarn in the right spot. Okay, so that basically is a single crochet into the chain 4, 4 doubles, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and another single crochet. And that is going to be our repeat all the way around. So we're going to skip this single crochet right there. We're going to work a single crochet in the next chain 4 space and then do the same 4 doubles and a single. And that's 2 scallops, and that's basically the repeat. Skip this one and do 1 single, 4 doubles, and 1 single. That's going to give us a really pretty scalloped edge. So there you have the first 3 scallops, and we're gonna work down to the corner here, and then I'll show you what to do. So here I am at the point of my triangle, and I'm just gonna skip this 1 single crochet and put a single crochet in that tip, and then just continue on with my scallops, and that's basically it. 1, 2, 3, and 4 doubles and a single. And we just continue the scallops up to the top. So I'll let you continue on, and I will meet you back at the top and show you how to continue on from there. I've made my final scallop here, and I ended with my single crochet, and I'm going to just join with a slip stitch to that final single of the top row. And this is where I can just continue on with my chains. So I chained 20 in between here, so that's what I'm going to do again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. And this is the point where you can connect the next piece of your garland. And again, it would be on the wrong side, and you would single crochet across. Let me just put this down. Single crochet across like you did before. Work up your chain 4 spaces, and then you turn it and you work your scallops all the way back. And that is how you can join your little triangles to make a really pretty scalloped granny triangle banner. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you give this a go, because this is a really fun way to make your banners and finish off those triangles that you've made. So please do subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about these cute little banners. See you next time. Bye-bye.